Did you know that hidden amongst the rolling hills of England lies a royal palace, a place so secretive and exclusive that it has remained a mystery to most people for centuries? This palace is more extravagant than Buckingham Palace itself, with a history that is even more fascinating and complex. This architectural marvel, shrouded in centuries of history and intrigue, has remained largely unknown to the public eye. Its walls have witnessed events that shaped the course of history. Its existence whispers tales of lavish banquets, clandestine affairs, and the comings and goings of the most powerful figures in English history. Imagine the secrets these walls could tell if they could speak. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the fascinating history of England's most opulent hidden gem, a place that has been the backdrop for countless historical dramas. This royal residence puts even the most decadent modern mansions to shame with its grandeur and opulence. Join me as we unlock the secrets held within the walls of this magnificent palace, exploring rooms that have been untouched for generations. We'll uncover the architectural genius behind its construction, revealing the innovative techniques and materials used to create such a masterpiece. And we'll delve into the stories of the monarchs and courtiers who walked its halls, each leaving their mark on this extraordinary place. This is more than just a history lesson. It's an invitation to step into a world of power, privilege, and a level of luxury that is hard to imagine in today's world. So come along on this journey through time and discover the hidden stories and unparalleled beauty of this royal secret. Nestled amidst sprawling parkland, the palace we are about to explore is called Name of the Palace. This magnificent structure stands as a testament to the architectural brilliance of its time, blending seamlessly with the natural beauty that surrounds it. Its very name evokes a sense of grandeur and mystery, inviting us to delve deeper into its storied past. Built in the century during the reign of Name of the Monarch, it quickly became a favoured retreat for royalty, a place to escape the confines of courtly life in London. The palace's halls have echoed with the footsteps of kings and queens, each leaving their mark on its legacy. But Name of the Palace is more than just a pretty facade. Its walls have witnessed countless stories of intrigue, romance, and power struggles. Its history is intertwined with the most pivotal moments in English history, shaping the course of the nation. Within its walls, treaties were signed, alliances were forged, and the fate of the nation was decided. The decisions made here have had lasting impacts, resonating through the centuries. It witnessed the rise and fall of dynasties, the triumphs and tragedies of those who called it home. Each season brought new chapters to its ever-evolving story, making it a living chronicle of the past. Uncovering the secrets of Name of the Palace is no easy feat. This palace, with its towering walls and majestic gates, has stood the test of time, guarding its stories closely. Royal residences are notoriously well guarded, with layers of security that deter even the most determined of intruders. Their history is often shrouded in secrecy and speculation. These walls have witnessed countless untold stories. Official records are often incomplete, lost to time, or deliberately concealed to protect the image of the monarchy. These documents, though faded, hold the key to many mysteries. This air of mystery only adds to the allure of Name of the Palace, drawing historians and curious minds alike. It's like piecing together a puzzle, using fragmented historical accounts, architectural clues, and whispered rumors to paint a picture of what life was like within its walls. Each artifact, each document is a piece of the grand puzzle. The challenge lies in separating fact from fiction, in discerning the truth from the tales that have been passed down through generations. In sifting through the layers of myth and legend to uncover the truth, we embark on a journey through time, unraveling the enigma that is Name of the Palace. Despite the challenges, enough information has been unearthed to reveal the exceptional nature of Name of the Palace. Imagine a palace adorned with more gold leaf than any other in England, its ceilings adorned with breathtaking frescoes and its floors covered in the finest carpets imported from the East. This is not mere speculation. Architectural plans and inventories from the period detail the lavish materials used in the palace's construction. They describe grand ballrooms that could accommodate hundreds of guests, opulent private chambers fit for a king, and gardens designed to rival the hanging gardens of Babylon.